Okay. 28th day of June, no? Hapon na po nandito tayo sa Barangay Bago, Kabulug, Cagayan. And of course, binalikan po natin ang isa sa ating hinahangaan dito na although retired na, still working hard at gusto nating malaman yung tungkol sa integrated farming. Ang tiyaga niya. And we have here, of course, yung retired educator na si Dr. Felina Kimayen Castilleros. Magandang hapon, Auntie, and then I came to know all about your yung mga ongoing projects po to, and I would like to have a look at it. Ajay bagbagatang integrated. What's all about the integrated, Auntie?
Well, we produce the organic fertilizer from vermi.
Vermi means
earthworm. We have the vermiculture, and the product line is vermi compost.
Kayo na rin mismo mo ang ang nagkuha ng vermi processes.
It is one of the best organic fertilizer. And so you can see around that these plants are fertilized with organic fertilizer.
All around us, varied mga plants. We have ornamentals, mga fruit trees, mga ganyan.
We have papayas,
and then
different varieties of papayas. And
all over, no? So i-rob natin ang camera. Yan makikita. We can see it in our screen po, yung mga different plants around dito sa compound garden, orchard, and everything.
Yeah, we have
piggery, and then
tilapia.
Okay. Auntie, I would like to see yung vermi, how do we call it?
It's vermiculture.
Vermiculture.
And the product line is vermicompost.
Okay.
The vermicompost is
organic fertilizer. Okay, here we are sa area kung saan nila po. Please tell something about the
These
vermi.
are boxes of vermi.
Yeah.
The beddings are leaves of kakawati and other leaves around, except mandarin and lemon. It's not good as beddings.
Is it that?
I think these plants are acidic.
So these are all the boxes na wherein shall we say dito naka-house yung mga earthworm.
Actually, this is the shed for the earthworm.
Yes.
Actually,
distant view natin.
Six boxes. We have compartments here.
Go ahead, Auntie, and we are having all the details ito talaga.
Yes. This one,
alam niyo itong kausap natin ngayon,
this is ready for packing.
Close
this
up natin. Dito man, Auntie, sa may medyo malabo. Ayan, ready for packing. Meaning to say, pwede na ring i-apply as a fertilizer, Auntie.
Organic fertilizer.
There you have it. A close up camera for the vermi organic fertilizer na. How long will it take until we can?
It takes a month to remove the beddings, and then it is sieved. This is already sieved.
So months, then later on pag nag-decay na yung di ba lalagyan natin ng mga different leaves except yung mga citrus leaves.
But the leaves and the cow manure or pig manure should be
mixed together.
Yes.
Mas red pa aja, hindi ba?
Yes, we have a
you have your okay, and then
it's shredded and then decomposed for at least 14 days.
14 days.
Because it is hot. If it is not decomposed, it is hot for the earthworm.
So hindi
In
mo
fact, actually, this one is already starting to turn into organic.
Oh yes.
They like the
So
beddings.
later on na yan, it can be pwede nang gamitin
Yes.
for application sa ating mga plants. So
there
there
is
you are
no-
ang process ng
Yes.
ano, yung vermi.
In fact, the papayas that were fertilized with organic fertilizer
Yes.
are robust. You can actually see here, these are papayas that were
And
fertilized.
flowering papaya plants na ito,
Yes.
about to bear fruits. At saka, sa background pa, may mga iba't ibang root crops.
Yes.
Then we have chicos all
Yeah.
over. And we have to move.
These
Ayan.
ones are
Mga seedlings.
seedlings of papaya for distribution.
For free?
For free. I give
Huh?
it free.
Oh, we'll take some. Okay, and then we are now being
These are,
ushered
Ginger.
ginger. Yeah. Iba't iba.
Barely 1 month old yan.
Yan. All
And of
over,
course, we
no?
have ornamental plants here.
Okay. At saka,
We use throwaways like this
slabs.
benches.
Slabs.
These are slabs. I
And
think that
parang beauty spot na rito, no?
this is the medicinal area.
Medicinal, herbal,
We are starting
herbal, oo.
To put up several
And nandyan yung mga apo ko naman natin, kasama natin sa pagbibisit, ano? There goes si Bianca and that's Vani with our Lola, of course.
Ginger all around because they say if you use fertilizer, even the manure of pigs and cow can be utilized for ginger. And these are the winged beans. And look, I am also culturing ferns.
Yeah,
This
these
is the
are
edible
ferns.
fern.
Edible.
Yes.
Not barely ornamental na ito.
No, it's
Itong anong tawag natin
Yes.
dito, yung
The tops.
young tops.
Tops.
Could be taken as salad.
Yes.
Oh,
this
very
is
nice,
the
very
edible fern.
Akala ko
And
sa
we are
gubat
trying-
marami niyan.
We're trying to convert this area.
Yeah, this one.
Yes.
We have some
where we
parang
can-
kiosk, ano? May nagmerienda siguro diyan.
We are starting.
Yeah,
on my
kitang-kita.
birthday, you are cordially invited.
Oh, and happy
It
birthday
will be
and
December 5. And this is our preparation.
yes, it will be a nice place, no? All over existing pa rin yung mga bamboo natin, ano, auntie?
Yes.
Yan, yung mga
Plentiful pa yan.
bamboo all around. Then bananas.
Bananas.
Okay.
Under the bananas, we planted the gabi.
In
Fruit
between,
crops, yes.
fruit crops. Okay?
But
May
they
mga
are
ornamentals
not
din.
yet,
Ready for ano. Yan, yung mga bamboo na nababanggit natin. This is only a part of yung
This is
bamboo plantation ni
yellow
Dr.
bamboo.
Castillejos.
a
Yellow bamboo is imported dito, ano, hindi?
mutant no
Ano ito?
imported
Hybrid na.
one. Yes, hybrid. This is the machiko.
Machiko.
Bamboo. Yes. They grow so many shoots at a time.
Big shoots, bamboo shoots. So, ayan, oh.
At a time yan. I used to have all this bamboo, but
usually,
I reduced the number because I wanted to use the area. For Kakawati, which is
intended for the vermina, yung
yes.
kawati. Because
That's why
the
I
leaves
said
of kawati
integrated.
is
I produce all
very
the
much
beddings here,
preferable.
except of course the manure of the cow. We get it from Benny's place. But the pigs we have.
But still, yung mga throwaways na dapat yun, you are making use of them.
So,
Nice,
even
nice,
the
nice.
banana leaves, the dried
Instead of
banana
being
leaves.
burned,
Yes.
ginagamit
In fact,
na rin.
we don't burn. And that is part of
ecological, I see.
protection, but ecological balance.
Okay.
In fact, this is my simple participation for the global warming.
Very nice, very nice. And where do you get the idea, auntie? Where do you You usually have references how to do it,
Of
probably.
course, we had a training conducted by the DA,
Uh-uh.
Department of Agriculture, and I also read magazines like
Okay.
agriculture because I am not an agriculturist.
My auntie, the
I
other
have to
auntie.
enrich my